that a lot of people who are violated in any kind of way, a lot of them never actually talk about it. A lot of them actually never say, hey, somebody tried to grab me, someone tried to touch me, someone tried to do this and this and this, whether young or older, because people actually don't take it seriously until something bad happens. And I say this because on numerous occasions have men, grown men, big men, have either grabbed me, have either followed me around, have either tried to even get in my car, because I work alone most of the time. I work in field most of the time, so I'm not always with company, or I'm not always in the office. So I've had a lot of those things happen to me, and nobody actually cares and nobody takes it seriously until something bad happens. And I always pray to God, like, God, please protect me all the time, because nobody takes it seriously. Nobody takes it seriously. It's like, oh man, as long as they didn't do anything to you. As long as they didn't do anything to you. And it makes people afraid to talk, even when something does happen to you, even if it's small. So this is a public service announcement. It doesn't matter how small it is. It doesn't matter how small someone might think it is. If anybody violates you in any kind of way, whether touches you without your permission, whether they follow you around, whatever case it is, where somebody's doing something that you don't want to do, especially as a woman, tell somebody about it. I know police don't always take it seriously. I know people that you tell around you don't always take it seriously, but tell someone that you trust, even if it's a point of describing how that person looks, because we don't always hear it. Kids get kidnapped and they are sold as sex slaves and so forth. People get kidnapped on a daily basis that we never hear about on the news, and it's because we take things like this so lightly, and I don't understand why. So if anybody touches you, threatens you, follows you around, forces you to give them their number and grabs you, or tell somebody, even if you just give them a description of that person, even if you just give a description of the car, but tell somebody. And again, to those of you who take things like this lightly, what do you want to happen? Must something bad happen first before you actually wake up and say, oh, I need to take this seriously? Always take it seriously. If somebody tells you something, it's because it either affected them, or it's because it was a clue, like it wasn't, they were not comfortable about it. So listen to them. So that's just all I just basically wanted to say, is that we get this happens so many times to women. It's like, well, at least you weren't raped, or well, they didn't do anything, it's not a crime, they just grabbed you, or and it is a violation. And I feel like because we allow those small things to happen, and it's almost like it's okay, it's almost like we are applauding bad behavior by saying, oh well, at least he didn't do anything else, or at least and like I said this, I mean, I've never been violated, and to anybody who's listening to this who has been violated, I sincerely am sorry for that happening to you. And it's just unfortunate, but and we all, most women will be in that situation where they could be violated or they could be harassed in some kind of way. And I just need people to take it more seriously than just saying, oh well, at least this didn't happen to you. It could have happened, and because it didn't, thank God. But let us not condone men getting away with even the smallest things, because once you leave it and say, you're giving that guy more power, you're giving that man more power, and you do not see it until it's too late. So if they can do it to a grown woman, imagine what they can do to a young child or a young girl. So I think people need to pay more attention.